Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to add users in Zoho One. So first things first, you want to open your browser and you want to go to Zoho CRM first. And once you're here, you want to log in to your Zoho account. Then you're going to click on Access Zoho CRM. And once you're here, you want to go to the left side bar. Then you want to click on Setup, which is represented by a gear icon. Then you want to navigate to General. Then you want to click on Users under General. Then you will see the new user over here at the top, so you want to click on that. And clicking this button will now bring you to Zoho One. And once you're here in Zoho One, you can add an individual user, a group, or you can also change the access for everyone. So let's add an individual user. So over here, going to select your user by clicking on the plus icon over here. Then click on select users. Then you can select a user by typing in their email. Then once you've found your user, you're going to click on their profile. Then you're going to click on done in order to add them. Then you're going to select their role. So if you already have the role set up, then you can just click on the tab. Then you're going to select the role. But if you haven't yet, then you can also click on create a new role so that you can assign that role to that user. Then over at profile, you're going to click on the tab. So you can select whether their profile is a administrator or a standard profile. But if you also want to create a new profile for them, then just click on the plus icon over here. And once you've done that, just click on assign over here at the bottom. And that's it. Thanks for watching.